All right, the big news that we are tracking right now is that the United Kingdom Prime Minister Boris Johnson has cancelled his Indian visit amidst the new strain alert and also United Kingdom locking down. Now, Boris, who was expected to be the chief guest at the Republic Day celebrations in India, expressed regret directly on the telephone with Prime Minister Modi. Johnson said that since the United Kingdom is under a complete lockdown, it is important for him to focus on domestic response to the strain. Boris Johnson further added that he hopes to visit India in 2021. Mind you, viewers, he was to come with a contingent of over 50 people. There is a scare where the London strain, which is expectedly more mutant and more transmissible of the coronavirus, is concerned. The United Kingdom is already in lockdown till February. I want to immediately connect to our Foreign Affairs editor, Geeta Mohan, who's joining us on the phone line. You know, Geeta, there was a lot going on. There was a scare where the London strain is concerned. The United Kingdom is in lockdown. Boris Johnson has expressed regret, says he needs to be home to monitor the situation. How did India receive the news, Geeta? And what now? Are we going to be extending another invitation to another dignitary when it comes down to the 26th of January? All right, we seem to be having a bit of an audio connect where Geeta is concerned. We're going to try and re-establish that. Geeta, can you, if you can hear me, what exactly transpired? He expressed regret directly with the Prime Minister. Now what? Are we extending a fresh invitation to another foreign dignitary?
Well, this is not the first time, Preeti, that a visit has been cancelled for the Republic Day. It has happened in the past when Bahrain when there was a cancellation in the past, and the UAE, the foreign minister of UAE, then replaced and came for the Republic Day event. So not the first time that it has happened, but these are COVID times, extreme circumstances, a very grave situation in the United Kingdom, and therefore the cancellation has really taken place. We will have to wait and see whether if India would really then like to extend an invitation at a time when most countries are still reeling under the pandemic pressure. So right now, no information on whether if there will be another country that would that would come, or a dignitary from any other country who would be coming and be the chief guest for the Republic Day parade, but not the first time. So there could be a replacement. Given the pandemic situation and the fact that the Indian side is also keeping the entire affair very low-key, we might not have a chief guest as well. So right now, discussions underway, given that the conversation between Boris Johnson and Prime Minister Modi took place only hours ago.
Geeta, what's happening in the back end of it? Because you know, the government would be a bit relieved itself because there is the strain of the United Kingdom. Now, Prime Minister Johnson was to travel with a contingent which was over 50 people. That would have been in itself a scare where the COVID strain is concerned. And on the other hand, domestically, we've had a massive farmer agitation which is still brewing. In all, the government would be relieved.
Well, in many ways, then one, Preeti, you're absolutely right on both counts. One, that the fact that Prime Minister Boris Johnson was coming with a largish delegation during a pandemic time would not have gone down well, not in India particularly, but in Britain itself. A lot of the British media had already started criticizing Prime Minister Boris Johnson with the new strain of virus and the super spread that we're seeing in UK. Prime Minister coming over here and partaking in celebrations in India would not have been great optics. Secondly, and very importantly, Preeti, like you rightly pointed out, the farmer agitation is something that both sides certainly would have looked into and were concerned about. We've seen many MPs in the United Kingdom raise the matter and have asked Prime Minister Boris Johnson to take up the matter with his India counterpart if he were to travel to India. And given that situation, if the farmers would have gone to Rajpath during, or would have managed to go anywhere close to central Delhi during the Republic Day parade, that would have led to major embarrassment, not just for the Indian administration, but Boris Johnson, certainly with a huge Sikh community in United Kingdom, would have had to make a statement. Well, and that really would not have gone down well for bilateral relations. Well, so yes, a sigh of relief for Prime Minister Modi.
Well, you're right there, Geeta. Those optics wouldn't have quite worked very well for India there. But appreciate you joining us. We're going to keep a keen eye on whether we're going to have another foreign dignitary as the chief guest of the Republic Day parade. But we might not even have anyone, as that's what my colleague Geeta is picking up. Let's now quickly shift. Hi, everyone. Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.